Yeah, you are welcome back to my channel. Now, when you look very well, zoom out your screen, you will see one dot here, black. This color in this area is black. This area is black. Try to zoom out. This area is black. This area is black too, but not too much. These four areas are black. Likewise, when you now watch carefully, you will see that it is the upper clipper blade and the bottom clipper blade now form that thing. Zoom out again for you to see this one too. When you watch here, watch here, watch here, and watch here, same color. Try to watch carefully. You zoom out so that you can be able to see it very well. That is why I'm trying to teach us how to zoom out, how to zoom in of your phone. You can be able to see the work exactly because I'm the only person here. I put camera one side. So I cannot be doing the tutorial at the same time be zooming out the screen. You can be able to see. That is why I'm teaching that one from time to time. Try to remember us so that you can learn how to zoom in and out of the screen of the phone. You can be able to see it clearly. Now, I've told you how this kind of error happened. Then we are now in the sharpening workshop now to treat it. How can we treat it? How can we resharpen it to bring this blade back to normal so that it will work fine again? When you watch now, this center is cleared. This center I'm patrolling. This center is cleared. This area is done totally. This area is up. This area is up. Now let us start with the upper clipper blade. Let me put the masking tape. Don't forget putting up the correct masking tape at the back of the blade. It allows your thumb to hold it properly. Though the masking tape is there, but I want to refresh it again. The masking tape is there already, but I want to refresh it. That is for the upper clipper blade. Let me still attach for the bottom clipper blade to make the work easier for me to do. And if you can remove the masking tape, the first one, you remove it. All this thing I'm just showing you. If the first masking tape that is there is still good, but you still want to refresh it, you can apply another one here, making two. You see it in this way. Then, as usual, as I used to tell you, you treat the surface of your stone. This one, I've cleaned it. The cleaning first, you first clean the surface. When you take your small rag, you clean the surface, number one. Then after, you now apply your treatment. Then you now use your finger to spread it all over to cover the whole surface. You see the way I'm doing it? You see the way I'm doing it? You now use your biscuit bone. This is a biscuit bone. You now take it to raw. You see it like this. After, you now take your kerosene. You see it like this. You see it like this. Now, I place my blade at the angle of 45 degrees. I want to sharpen here first. The way you are going to sharpen this kind of blade now to bring it back to normal. You know the last one we did, the one with the error in the center. You position yourself in the center. Your thumb in the center. This one now, the error is here along this side. Watch carefully. Zoom out this area and the other area here. Those are the places you are going to place your thumb. Look like, watch like this. Zoom out very well. You can see it. Zoom out. Zoom out your lens very well. You see it. You see the area I position my thumb. That is where you are going. That is 2 and 4 10 times for this side. Then you now bring your thumb to the other side here. Watch, zoom out. Clearly zoom out for you to see this angle. That is 2 and 4 10 times. Let us clean it and watch now and see what is happening in the inside. Yeah, when you watch carefully, let me bring this one nearer to the camera. Zoom inside again. Go inside, finish. Go inside and let us watch the inside. Let us watch carefully. I want to fashion it out for you to see Yeah, look at this area. You see shining there? The work starts from there. Watch carefully this area. Then when I turn to the other side, you see the other side too. You see here too. Work starts from here too. It has not reached the center. The center is still down. That is how we will continue, little by little, before everything will now rhyme up. That is 2 and fro 10 times again. That is 2 and fro 10 times, making 20 times each for one side. I will still come nearer to the camera now. I will come nearer, come and show you. And at the same time, first zoom out for you to see it. Zoom out. Zoom out very well. You can see that from here, the shiny and show reach here. From here like this, the shiny and show. Then from here now, the shiny show reach here. If you zoom out clearly, you can see it. This area I'm patrolling, shiny have covered it. Then from here like this, shiny have covered it. Remain this center here like this. Let me put the pointer. This area. Zoom out for you to see it clearly. This area, remain this area now. We still continue sharpening from here, sharpening from here. The sharpening will now be extending towards the center. That upper area here is going down, coming to the level of the center here. The upper area here coming down to meet the level of the center. Still remains a little. Let us go again. Don't forget the treatment of the surface. That is 10 times. That is 10 times again. Yeah, let us watch like this. Yeah. Try to zoom out very well. Zoom out. Yeah, zoom out for you to see it clearly like this. Zoom out. When you zoom out, you can see that the shining has covered the whole surface. You can see it like this. The shining has covered the whole surface. Starting from here, reach here. Starting from here, reach here. The whole surface now has been shined. Everything has shined across. You see it showing us, telling us that the whole surface is flattening and shining across. Then let me bring it near the camera. Zoom in again, finish. Zoom again, finish totally. Can you see it in this way? You see it? So everything has shined across. You see it? Yeah, this one is sharpening correctly now. Let me drop it down. Don't forget, you don't put it in this way on the chemical. You put it in this way because we may likely to resharpen it again. Because we are trying to correct the error. We may test it now. If another error still show, we are still going back to resharpen it. We have not confirmed really whether it is good now. It has been correctly sharpened. So we want to go for the bottom clipper blade. So this gum, can you see this gum is weak? Let me quickly remove it totally. Then when you remove the masking tape at the back of the blade, then you clean it because the small gums will be there with the treatment. So when you don't clean it, you now apply another one, it will not be effective. It can't hold it properly. It can't hold it properly. You try to clean it well. You see it? Then you reapply the masking tape correctly. You see the way I'm doing it? You zoom out for you to see it clearly. Zoom out. Zoom out the screen of your phone, the lens of your camera. Zoom out for you to see it clearly. You zoom out. Yeah, you see it in this way. You now apply the treatment again to cover the whole surface at the angle of 45. You know, the error is here, the error is here. The way you place your thumb for the upper clipper blade, the same position you place your thumb for the bottom clipper blade now. You see here like this angle. You press this area down, then the other side. You watch, zoom out for you to see clearly. So we are starting from here. That is 2 and flow 10 times here. Let us go for the other side. I'm sorry. That is 2 and flow 10 times 2. Yeah, let us watch carefully. Let us watch well. Please zoom out the screen of your phone. Zoom out very well. You can see it. Zoom out, please. Please zoom out. When you watch here now, the wall covers here. See the place I'm touching for this side. When you watch for here, the same thing with the upper side. It covers here. Then now leave the center here like this. Leave the center. We are still going again. So let us watch again. See this area now. Shining. See this area from here shining. Remain little part here. But before we go for that little part, let us test first so that you get where it remains. Yes. University. Mambo. So I'm coming. I want to attend to a customer. Just a minute. I'm very sorry. I'm back again. So let us now put it into test. Let me zoom out very well for you to see it clearly. Let us test very well. I want you to see the inside after the testing so that I can be able to see the parts that the stone has not touched. You can be able to see whether the area we are trying to clear is getting off the surface of the upper and the bottom clipper blade, whether it's trying to cooperate or not. So I want to test it very well. You can see it. So I won't take it off from the camera. You zoom out very well, zoom out. Zoom out. Let me come nearer to the camera. Can you see the carbon from left hand side to the right hand side? Can you see it? Why the back is like this is because of this center. This center I'm touching, this area is cut off from the design. Can you see it now? You see the carbon from left hand side to the right hand side of the upper and the bottom clipper blade. which means we have corrected the error on it. We have put it back into new one. Can you see it? It's sharpening correctly now. That is how you will be correcting the error. That is why I am trying